guys, this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to apply your beads manually because your girl does not know how to use a bead applicator. So let's get right into it. First, you want to start off by folding the tip of the braid like I'm doing. Then you want to go ahead and add your desired amount of beads. Okay, so once you're done adding your beads, now to the securing part. Go ahead and slide the last bead to the tip of the braid, then take the tip of the braid and bend it over the bead like I'm doing. And the way to secure it is simply by using a rubber band. And once you're done wrapping the rubber band, just don't forget to cut off the excess hair.